Hi friends, in this video let's talk about how to fix the 120 FPS Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in the POCO X8 Pro after the recent software update. So recently the POCO X8 Pro did get the software update, and even after the update also the 120 FPS issue not got fixed. So here in the graphic settings you can see the 120 FPS is selected, but still you cannot get that 120 FPS. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that issue in case if you are facing this problem on your device. And this is the latest update which I'm running in my device. Let me show you about phone. So 3.0.4. And first go to the options called apps. So once you're in the apps, so try to type the battery and the performance. So you need to clear the cache data and clear all the data. So clear all data. So once you do that, so now go back to the game. Is a game, and now you should be able to get that 120 FPS issue so sorted out. So right now I'll try to show you exactly the 120 FPS real time, how it's happening. So after this update, I did see a little bit kind of temperature coming, like increasing slightly more. But let me show you guys right now whether we'll be able to play at 120 FPS or not after this trick. So that's how you can actually play 120 FPS without any problem. So clearing the cache data and clearing all the data of the apps and the battery and the performance. Only then you will be able to play at 120 FPS. So right now, this is a temporary solution which is available in this POCO X8 Pro device. So this comes with a Dimensity 8400 Ultra, and for this price, and definitely the phone was really very good deal, I would say, at this kind of price range. Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset. And right now I'll try to show the real-time FPS how much we are getting. So you can see here and there a couple of like frame drops. So right now FPS kind of increased to 104, we are getting 95 FPS, 92, 110 FPS. It's slowly kind of increasing. 114 we got, 112. So if you try to use the wild boost option, maybe we might get stable performance. But something you should know about that FPS thing. It is not that consistent. It's kind of 108, 110 FPS we are getting right now. And let's do the one more FPS drop test as well. So using this wild boost option. So right now you are able to get like 120, 118 FPS as you can see by using this kind of trick. So that's how it's kind of possible at this moment to play at 120 FPS in the POCO X8 Pro device by clearing out the data from the battery and the performance. So after the recent update, still you have to do that. So still the issue did not get fixed, unfortunately, in this POCO X8 Pro device. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are the videos you want me to upload on this POCO X8 Pro. I'll definitely do my best to upload the videos as soon as possible. Even I'll try to do the battery draining test videos as well very soon. After this update, how is overall battery draining is happening, how much is happening in this device. So stay tuned for those videos. Also, I'll try to upload many of them in my channel. And also follow the playlist videos for more information on the POCO X8 Pro. The playlist videos will be clearly helpful for a lot of other users. Overall, now you will be able to play at exactly 120 FPS, and you can use different options. For example, like visual enhancement. So right now it's kind of bright, saturated and bright. Now I selected none. So you can see the overall temperature, how it's kind of increasing 39 degrees Celsius, 39.4. So within like 5-10 minutes, sometimes the temperature is increasing slightly higher. So if you play at 120 FPS, the temperature is going to increase definitely high in the POCO X8 Pro device. That's something which I did notice in the 120 FPS in the POCO X8 Pro. Overall, the temperature is going to increase a lot, which can come close to in 40 degrees Celsius as well, the temperatures in this POCO X8 Pro device. So meanwhile, this is a quick demonstration, guys, on the POCO X8 Pro device. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check the links in description for more videos as well. Until then, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates and bye.